Good afternoon.
Francis Bronze! Welcome aboard the Jefferson spaceship. I hope the Friends of the Universe inspection is going well.
Very well. And an amazing concert. Nova's a huge talent.
She's actually my sister. And this is the captain of our ship. Captain McLaren, manager.
That's not my arm. Shall we?
We're right this way.
This is my private office and bedroom. An efficient use of the space.
Is that a reusable door?
Well, it opens and closes, right, McLaren?
The Jefferson is 100% recycled. If you sit on a chair, it's had at least 100 other bottoms on it before yours.
I don't have a bottom. I'm a plant. Now, before I forget, minima saltum. Oxygenates the air and absorbs toxins. We're issuing cuttings to all vessels.
What a marvellous plant. I'll keep it in my room.
It responds to life and activity, to noise. Do you perhaps have a room that's a little less lonely?
Apparently Digit would like to take care of it. In the cockpit?
Seating area, all repurposed, of course. And, finally, this is our cockpit.
Well, McLaren, I'm impressed. Like we say on our planet, your operation isn't just blossom, the roots are deep, too. Where to next? Is it just captain?
The captain of the North.
The north of where?
The North of space.
That doesn't make any sense.
We're headed to the custard cluster.
Oh, that's right on my route. And past our seedling world. Would you mind...
We'll give you a lift!
Perfect. Thank you.
Are you all right, McLaren? You're acting a little bit...
Francis Frond! She saved the atmosphere on 12 worlds. We're going right past her seedling planet. And I'm giving her a lift. All my friends got me so many presents! I'm only keeping a few. Fans, Nova. Your fans gave you presents?
Friends.
Fans.
Friends.
Fans.
Friends? Why do you keep saying that?
You don't know the difference, do you? Between friends and fans.
I do. Isn't it something to do with how expensive the gifts are?
Ticket, please.
Sid, parking ticket.
That was my Nova autograph.
I'm sorry.
Great idea to wait in the diner while we travel. We have my sister's music playing in here, of course, day and night.
Isn't that a waste of electricity when the diner is empty?
And she'll remember Chef Dindin's from our tour. A salad, thanks, Chef Dindin's. Nothing's been terrible, it's just the sun's a bit blotted out. My client has essentially provided a large amount of sunshade, entirely free of charge, and no, I don't buy it either. Kid songwriter!
What's the deal, McLaren? You need a song?
Yes, kid songwriter, we should do a charity single. All proceeds to benefit those affected by bling pollution.
Can do. The sun is blotted, we're raising our sad flags to all the space birds caught up in pink handbags.
Ow! Ugh. It goes on forever. How will we get through?
Luckily, I brought some cutlery.
Oh, great. You got knives?
Spoons.
Great. Hey, you just spoke.
I know this game. I play jungle all the time. Follow me.
It's so hot in here. The lights are really burning down.
Here.
me so long.
Yes, you can. You're the strongest person I've ever known. You can do it.
Okay.
I can see it clearing. Come on, Nova. We can do it.
Yes, jungles are so icky. But listen, Sid, before we go, I'm Nova Jones.
I know. Everybody knows.
I just wanted to introduce myself to my new friend. I shouldn't have been so bossy. I'm sorry.
Nova, there you are. I've been looking for you for minutes.
As a matter of fact, my friend Sid here was saving us from... It seemed like a lot more jungle when we were in it.
Francis Fun's gift. It's grown huge so quickly. Your music! Plants react to sound. Your music must be so awesome. The reaction was enormous. Your music made it grow. I think I have a pollution solution. Nova, are you ready to play a concert?
Always.
You're on in 5. Not literally, we won't even have landed the ship by then. That's impractical, but soon.
Hello, Seedling World. This is really gonna rock your roots.
I've always been the kind of girl to find a solution, but things don't always go to plan, 'cause I'm only human. We're all growing every single day. You should know that you can make mistakes. You just got to look on the bright side. The sky won't always be gray. Won't you come alive?
I know Nova's music is good, but...
There! It's happening!
Rise and shine. Forget your worries for tonight. So wave your hands up high, up to the sky. Let the music take control. So won't you come alive? Just feel the sunlight in your eyes.
It worked! They're growing! Our little seedlings are growing up so fast!
This is excellent! Nova's music will grow them all to full size overnight!
And what about the sunlight? The sky is still blotted out with all the rubbish Nova dumped into the atmosphere.
I've got my top men on the job.
You can make mistakes. You just got to look on the bright side. The sky won't always be gray. Won't you come alive? Just feel the sunlight in your eyes. You gotta rise and shine.
And then I said to her, you gotta keep going, kid. You're the strongest person I've ever known.
Yeah, but did you ask her for a new autograph?
I don't need an autograph to prove anything. Me and Nova are friends. I can ask her for a selfie anytime I like.
It looks like we've made a hole big enough for the sun to...
So won't you come alive? Just feel the sunlight in your eyes. You gotta rise and shine.
You're a smart sapling, McLaren. Sorry about the plant going massive. Rare breed. Make spectacular gifts. You know what it's like when you're a bit of a loner and you want to impress your new friends.